Creek Road, and brought you back to Skeens Creek Road. Heading on Skeens Creek Road back towards Great Ocean Road. Kind of took the inland a bit from the 12 Apostles. And this is Skeens Creek Road. Pretty as, eh? Whoa, freaking pretty as. Oh, look at this bend here. Look at the camber on that, eh? Eat your heart out, eh? Look at that camber. Oh, look at that camber, eh? Oh, nice, eh? Oh. Oh, look at that open bit, eh? Yeah, got me partner on the back. Ooh, a bit fast. Stick to the edge here. And I think she's enjoying the ride. She has said she's enjoying the ride. Let's hope she's being honest, not just being polite. Oh, I think she's being honest, yeah. You can see the face quite up. Yeah, enjoying it. So I'm keeping it smooth for her. Nice and easy. Oh, look at that. See it opening. Opening. There it is. Wow. Oh, good bumpy there. Here's nice and crisp up here. You can hear the engine. Feel the engine doing really well. There's crisp and light. And the Beamer engine likes this sort of stuff, crisp and light stuff. Oh, look at that stretch, eh? Look at that view. Oh, look at that driveway, look at the ocean there. Oh, getting close to the ocean road. Eat your heart out, Europeans. Eat your heart out. Oh, look at that greenery, eh? Oh, look at this windy bit. Oh, it's just surprise after surprise. Oh, look at that, eh? Yummy. Going downhill, need a bit of engine hold on this. And I've got the partner on the back, so we've got a bit of weight here. Nice, keeping it smooth. Oh. Working it as smooth on the bike as smooth as I do it in the, you know what, yeah, smooth, you know. You got to do it with intention and purpose, you know. Smoothness. Yeah. Just like riding. That's why you should only date a rider. Forget all else. Date a rider. Oh, look at that stretch, eh? Look at that smooth attack on the road. Oh, yeah, the smooth braking. Oh, you see? Oh, he's good. He's good. Oh, we've made it. This is the ocean road. Oh, okay. Oh, there you go. There's the ocean. I think Lorne's that way. No, Lorne's this way. Oh, we're heading to Lorne. Right, Polo Bay's the other way. Another couple on a Harley style. I feel sorry for them. Ain't quite the same as being on this great Beamer. Gee, I've got to pee again. Far out. I hope the wind ain't too much noise for the mic. Oh. Stretch. Got the visor open. I don't think it is. Oh, look at that! See that view? There you go, that's what we came for. This sort of stuff. Hey, look at that. Oh, look at our waves on the rocks. And the snobby Harley riders. Well, that one was snobby, the last one. He was alright. Skeens Creek. Nice. Taking a picture of me. Oh, did I get a shot? I got a shot. There you go. See, there she is. I got a shot of her. I almost forgot I had the camera on and I'm filming her. I got a shot of her. Oh, look at that. Look at that coastline. Oh, spectacular, eh? Spectacular, eh? Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that beach. Smell that. Can you smell it? Pretty good. Pretty nice. That must be freezing their butts off, I reckon. Alright, looks like the road's back. Let's take the road into action, eh? Oh, look at that opening. Oh, look at that opening, eh? Whoa. Oh, watch yourself expand as you take these corners. Oh, goodness. Oh, watch it expand. Whoa. And then watch it contract. Whoa. There we go. Contracting. Good. Still taking pictures out back. There was another GS on your GS. Oh, look at that countryside. I hope there's not too much wind in there. I think it should be right. And the mic, that is. Hope you can hear me. Nice. It up. Oh, it's just pleasure after pleasure, mate. Oh, it's indulgent, isn't it? What do they call people that are into just being indulged? Hedonistic? Yeah, freaking hedonistic, eh? Oh, now watch this tight one, eh? Contracting now. Freaking hell. Eat your hearts out, Europeans. Oh, look at that, see? Did you see that? I glimpsed over to the right. Eat your hearts out. Oh, here you go, boy. Kids, yeah, give the nod or you're a sod. There you go. There's a new saying for you. Add that to the list. Nelson sayings. Give the nod or you're a sod. Nod is a sod. He didn't nod. Oh, look at that space. Oh, contracting again. There we go, nice big contractor here. I'll go in a second, eh? More control. Zipping around. It's going to expand again here. Oh, no, hang on. Couple of contracted ones here. Oh, mate. There we go. Yep. Big truck. Actually, you know what? Oh, I just decided something. I think I enjoy being on this side of the road, heading that way, rather than the other way. Sods didn't nod. No nod, you're a sod. I think it's because it gives you more of an objective look. Because you can see the cars, you can see the ocean, it just gives you an eye on everything. going this way. Yeah, I think so. So if you're going to go around Australia, I reckon go this way from this side. And apparently, because you're going from this side and not the other side, and that distance of 2 meters from that side to this side, you actually save in kilometers going around because the circumference is less, you know? I don't know who measures that sort of shit, but circumference is less if you ride on this side around Australia. Why would you measure that sort of crap? I don't know. Anyway, it's getting loud now. Oh, look at that rocky surface, eh? Oh, rocky ocean water. Oh. Looks like the tide's a bit down, so you can see all the rocky stuff. The water's receded a bit. Nice. Oh, look at those hills, eh? Look at those hills. Watch me sweep around these hills. Oh, yeah. Yummy. Sweep around this hill. And then around this hill. Oh, you could die and go to heaven now, eh? Look at that. You can see all the road ahead of you. And all the windy bits coming up. I've got to get in front of this car before he comes in. Yeah, stay there. Good boy. Don't go to heaven now. Far out. Yeah, and I think you get better perspective on the land and the ocean this way, like on the houses and stuff, and things up in the hills. I think the perspective is much better going this way. How are we doing for time? 30 minutes? 30 minutes, bloody ripper, eh? Freaking hell. Bloody ripper. Look at that windy, eh? And you can see all of it around. That's the thing about riding on the ocean like that. You can see the bends up ahead. When you get a glimpse of the coastline like now, you see? Oh, nice. Look at that scenery back there. Oh, yeah. Is that an opening? No, no opening there. That's an opening. No, that's not an opening. That was a closing. Yeah. Sorry. Closing. A bit rough on the passenger at the back there. Alright. Apologies accepted. Let's wait for a proper opening, eh? Oh, here's a proper opening. Yeah, that's a proper opening. This guy speeds up or something. Far out. What a do for sleepers. Instead of slowing down, speeds up. Alright, time out.